How to edit moody dark images in Photoshop. To turn this photo into a dark and moody image, go to Filter and find Camera Raw Filter. And the Camera Raw filter will open. From there, open the basic panel and apply some adjustments. First, adjust white balance, temperature, and contrast to make it a natural looking photo. Now, bring down the highlights, shadows, and whites to make the photo dark. But bring the blacks up to retain details in darker areas. Add clarity and dehaze to make the image crisp and clear. Now, bring down vibrance and saturation to apply the moody effect. Adjust the tone curve to create an interesting low contrast effect. Now, go to the color mixer and adjust the color that you want to boost or desaturate. Adjust the luminance to darken some of the colors. Apply sharpness to sharpen the image and to reduce noise from the adjustments that we have made. Now, we've turned this bright and vibrant image into a dark and moody image after applying some adjustments. Click OK to save, and check the before and after images to see the difference.